Our NPI and design engineers work closely with manufacturing engineers. In the concept phase, we have early meetings to ensure manufacturability. One big part of our work is to build up manufacturing and test station. In this way, we are ensuring our manufacturability and quality, and we can ramp up production efficiently and deliver high quality right from the beginning. Hi, I'm Verena Makowiak, Technology Team Leader for Spectroscopy here at Thorlabs. Thorlabs' process for product testing and new product design is that we are starting with a concept. We will narrow the concepts down and start the simulations. For example, in electronics, we will use LT-SPICE to simulate different electronical circuits and then choose the one which suits our needs best. Next step is that we are going to build prototypes and test them against the specifications. These prototypes are built in-house to ensure a quick turnover time. We do this iterative process of simulation, building prototypes and testing quickly so we can speed our product development.
Our prototyping capabilities have grown vastly over the years, from machining different components inside Thorlabs through the machine shop or doing the electronic boards in-house. We do now have a pick-and-place machine which places components on PCBs. We can rework PCBs, which allows us then to adapt existing boards, components to the needs of customers. I'm Ralph Hoffman. I'm the engineering manager of the AST group. We offer customization services based on the customer needs. That can be just changing little resistors and caps and components inside the system, or if a customer requests it, changing the format of a PCB, for example.
As we have all the development in-house, we can change the electronics, we can add a USB, trigger input, Ethernet connection or SPI connectors. When there is a customer with a higher integration, we can integrate as well custom plugs to connect the device directly to the system. And we do this for high volume orders.
Customer feedback usually plays a higher role in redesigns of products. We usually skim the feedback from, let's say the product is 10 years old. So we skim the feedback for those 10 years to see what changes customers need to a product to make the product more valuable to them. We're working right now with a couple of companies on quantum computing. We have lots of components that go into these quantum computers. We also support companies doing AI research and optical networking.
So new product ideas come either from new technologies or from discussion with customer. Our design engineers constantly look at new technology ideas, and from this naturally new product ideas emerge. And we are looking at this technology in detail to see when is it ready to really bring new features and to bring value to the customer and its application.